So ceramides are a natural part of every cell. They're one of the many, many types of fat or lipid that we have in all of our cells. And we need ceramide, but the problem in our society is that we have too much of it. But what we determined was that as ceramide overaccumulates in the muscle cell of the person gaining weight, it starts to pull these mitochondria apart. And what was once a nice connected network is now individual, distinct little mitochondria. And that's important because those mitochondria don't work as well. So metabolic rate has been reduced in the muscle from these obese individuals.
So because we know ceramide is a source of metabolic problems such as insulin resistance, if we could find a way to prevent your body from accumulating ceramide, we could maybe in turn ameliorate or solve some of those problems.
In these animals that were experiencing this sort of metabolic stress, we were giving them high-fat, high-sugar diet, and that's this perfect storm of weight gain. When we inhibited ceramide, even though they were getting that same diet, that same high-fat, high-sugar diet, we found that the mitochondria stayed big, they stayed connected. And as a result, they were resistant to obesity, we couldn't get them fat, and we couldn't make them diabetic. In humans, perhaps this suggests that there is room to discover novel therapies where we can inhibit the production of ceramide so that a muscle cell won't overaccumulate ceramide and in the process maintain healthy metabolic function. But independent of discovering a new drug is perhaps just stressing again, not surprisingly, the importance of lifestyle, where we found in our studies that a high-fat, high-sugar diet resulted in ceramide accumulation or overaccumulation in the muscle. Also, exercise has been found to reduce ceramide levels. So as much as people don't want to hear it, maybe a drug will come out someday that would prevent ceramide accumulation in humans. But importantly, even now, diet and exercise are known to be important regulators.